Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your LearnWorlds course, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a YouTube video into your LearnWorlds course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a YouTube video into your LearnWorlds course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that some of the YouTube videos you might have done in the past are relevant to your course. So instead of recreating it, you can just easily add a YouTube video into your course instead of re-recording it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your LearnWorlds account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my LearnWorlds account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a YouTube video into your course, there's a few different ways you can do it, and we're going to go over both of them. First, you want to click here on courses on the left side. And once you do that, you're going to see all the courses you have in LearnWorlds. You can see I just have this one, and you want to hover over these three dots and then click on edit course. Okay, so immediately it's going to bring you to the course outline. So in order to add a YouTube video, there's two different ways you can do it. One, you can add a completely new activity right here, add activity. And once you do that, just scroll through until you see YouTube. Once you click on there, you can go ahead and name the course or the activity of the course. So this is the Italian recipe section of my course. So maybe we're going to do a YouTube video about boiling pasta. So we'll do boiling pasta video. All right. And then we'll click on save and edit. Okay. Once you do that, you're going to see the settings pop up. So you can change the description and the title if you want, but this is the most important section. Copy and paste your embed code. So we're going to go over to YouTube. Okay. So once you're on YouTube, you just want to grab any video. It doesn't necessarily need to be your video. It could be anybody's video who has a share button right here. So you just click on share. Once you do that, you're going to see these options. Click on embed, and here is the embed code. So you're going to copy all of this code, and you're going to come back here to your course, and you're just going to paste it right in here. Once you do that, scroll to the bottom and click on save. Okay, so now we have the boiling pasta video. So this is a complete activity with just this one video. However, if you want to add a YouTube video into another part of your course, so like maybe the ebook, so we can go right here, learn to make spaghetti carbonara, and we're going to click on edit ebook. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see the ebook. You can see this is all just text, but if you want to add a YouTube video, you're going to scroll to the section you want the video to show up in. So for example, if I want it to show up above the ingredients, I'll hover over the section above it and then click on the plus icon. Once you do that, you just want to scroll down until you get to this one here called screens video. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and choose a player. So this one looks like a computer player. This one is more of a vertical. Let's do this one horizontal. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this placeholder. And then in order to add a YouTube video off to the left, click on screen. Once you click on screen, you're going to scroll down until you see the section here, background. And what we're going to do is click here on embed. Okay, and same thing, we can go ahead and just come back here to YouTube, get the embed code. Okay, and then we'll go back here to the course and we'll just paste in that code here. And then we'll click on update. And now you can see we have a YouTube video inside of our ebook. Now you're not quite done until you click on save here on the top right. Okay, so now anyone who shows up on this particular ebook, they're going to get the text that was already there, and then also this YouTube video that we added in. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a YouTube video into your LearnWorlds course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.